and today we will be talking about few GRE words which mean mystical powers or supernatural things, or which can be used to describe supernatural or something that cannot be explained by science, or something that is very sacred or very strange. So we have two words, paranormal and occult. First, let's see the word paranormal. In the picture you can see there's a ghost. So the meaning should be supernatural. Yes, it is supernatural, or it is something that cannot be explained by scientific laws and is thought to involve strange and unknown forces. So appearance of a ghost is a paranormal event. And second, we have this word occult. Let's see what is the meaning of occult. It is same as the paranormal, as it involves or relates to mystical, supernatural or magical powers, practices or phenomena which have no scientific explanation. So it is also supernatural, or it is also something that involves mystical powers, or something that has no scientific evidence, or something that is very strange, like the appearance of a ghost is also an occult event. Or simply it is something that is difficult to understand. In the difficult we have CULT in red colored. You can relate this to the word occult, and you can use this to remember the occult. So from occult there is cult, and from cult you say it is difficult to understand. So occult is something that is difficult to understand, or something that involves mystical, supernatural or magical powers that have no apparent scientific explanation. For example, a psychic forecasting future from her crystal ball is an occult activity. Like this, how a psychic forecasts the future from a crystal ball. It is strange. We do not know how this happens. It is often seen in movies and series, but we do not know how this happens. And we have some synonyms of the words paranormal and occult which are really important to know. The synonym is mystique. Maybe you know what mystique means. Mystique also means something that involves strange forces, or something that is unexplainable, that is very strange. Then we have cryptic. Cryptic actually means hidden or secret, but cryptic also means something that is very strange, or something you cannot understand. This arcane also means something that is very strange and you cannot understand. So yes, the words mean sacred, hidden, inexplicable, and so on. And do you know what inexplicable is? Unexplainable. So that's all for today. And if you like this channel, please subscribe us.